Hello beautiful community. This week's video is a mistletoe that I got from the local arborist Paddy. Now Paddy's done a bit of work for us over the time. You can see him in the video here on the sawmill when they cut some cypress pine for a walking trail that we constructed over the last couple of years. And he phoned up before Christmas and said that he'd found a mistletoe and it was sitting in his yard, or sitting in his office. And it didn't take me long to go down there and pick it up. So I broke all speeds just to get down there. So once I got it onto the lathe, I turned it down using a roughing gouge and a 1/2 inch spindle gouge. They're my go-to tools. And I turned it down so I could fit it into a container. Once I'd done that, I stabilised it and then used a blue coloured resin to fill up all the voids and the cracks. And it sat there for a little while, and then I put it back onto the lathe, and I got most of the resin off before I worked out what I was going to make. I couldn't see Paddy sitting there admiring a mistletoe vase with flowers in it, and I wasn't sure what else I could do for him. Then he's usually in the office doing paperwork, so I thought I'd just make a simple pen or pencil holder, and so that's what I did. So it didn't take too long to get it finished. I like to do the wet sanding on any of the resin pieces. It seems to work a lot better, I feel, and then I polish it off at the end. On this one I used a bit of tung oil to finish it. I put the tung oil on the inside and the outside, and then I let it sit for a week, and then I took it back and buffed it up, and that finished it off quite well. It was over Christmas that I'd finished it, so I put it into the house and I just checked for any cracks or splits that might have happened, but it was quite good. There was nothing untoward happened to the container. So when Paddy came back from holidays, I went down and gave it to him. He seemed happy enough, so hopefully he'll be on the lookout for more mistletoe for me. Anyway, this was a nice little project that I did, quite enjoyed it, and the result was quite good. So I hope you enjoy this video. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.